Hey everyone, my name is Deepak, and today I will be telling you the five best use cases of Google's new image generation model, which goes by the name of Nano Banana. First, what I will do, I have prepared a five best use cases of Nano Banana guide. What first I will do, I will go to Google AI Studio. You can access Nano Banana from Google AI Studio, Google Gemini, and LM Arena. I will be using Google AI Studio. What I will do, first I will click on Nano Banana and just first I will just paste the first prompt. This I will copy it and will paste it, and I will upload a reference image which I have with me. I will click hit on generate, let the image be uploaded fully, and I will hit on generate. It takes usually 20 to 30 seconds for the image to be generated. Let's wait. See what a facial expression has been changed of the reference image. See, nearly perfect. What I will do, I will just copy the second prompt. I'll copy it, go to Google AI Studio. I will upload the reference image. I'll copy the prompt. I'll hit on generate. Let's wait for 2 to 3 15 to 20 seconds. See, it has made the reference image made a cat eye sunglasses. I will show it to you. See it. See. What I will do, I will just copy the third prompt, and I will just upload the reference image, and I'll paste the prompt, hit on generate. Let's wait for 10 20 seconds. It is faster than ChatGPT, very fast. ChatGPT usually takes 2 to 3 minutes for the image to generate. This takes only 30 to 40 seconds. It is very fast. See, I'll show it to you. I will zoom in. See, nearly 80 to 90% perfect. What I will do, I will just copy the fourth prompt, go to Google AI Studio, upload the reference image, and I will hit on generate. Let's wait for 20 to 30 seconds. It will convert into a beautiful sketch. I will show it to you. It is buffering right now. See what a nearly perfect sketch it has generated of the reference image. What I'll do, I'll just copy the fifth prompt. In this prompt, you don't need the reference image as it is a cartoon character. You don't need the reference image. I'll just paste it, and I will hit on generate. It is this Nano Banana has taken the internet by storm. Everyone is busy generating images from Nano Banana. You must also try Nano Banana for free from Google AI Studio. See, it has generated a cartoon image. I'll show it to you. See this. All are wearing meta glasses in this. Um, that's it from my side, and thank you for patiently listening to me. Thank you.